In this video, I'll show you how to change audience on Facebook post. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. This is our Facebook, right? So let's say if I want to change audience right now, I can just come on here and post something. I can be like great, right? Once I type on the great, I'm going to click on the next. Right now you can see who can see your post, right? This is where you can change your audience. So you can see post audience, you can make it to be public, right? Anyone on of Facebook, anyone on or off Facebook can see your post. You can change it to friends, you can change it to only you. You can select it, you can select specific friends, right? You can run it up on a custom mode. So you have a list of options for you to choose carefully. This is how you can change audience on Facebook post. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next one.